Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to find row difference in Excel. So let's start this my Excel, and here you can see I have a two list with a different name. So you can see here in every row have some same name. In row number 3 there's the same name in both list. In row number 5 there's a different row, different name in both list. Okay. In the row number 6, there is the same name in both lists. So here I'm going to find the difference in every row. So simply select the entire data and press the shortcut key Ctrl G to open the Go To dialog box. Then click on the Spatial option, and here in Go To Spatial dialog box is open. Then click on the Row Difference option. After that, just click on OK, and here you see those row is showing the difference is selected. Okay. If you want to highlight, you can highlight it. Just go to the font group and click on the fill color option, and that's it. The difference is highlighted. You can see in 5 number row, the both name is different. In 10 and 11 also, 10 and 11 also, the name is different. So this is the way you can find the row difference in your data. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.